Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today it's all about a homestead haircut. I can cut the bangs and do pretty good with them, but this I can't. So I don't have time to go into town on a hairdresser just to trim it. So Danny's going to cut just a little bit off the end, an inch, maybe two, because my hair is getting thick. It's always been really, really thick. But when it's down on my shoulders like this, I can't handle it. So it's going to have to come back up pretty close to this, just where I can put it in a ponytail and have just a little bit hanging down on the back. I don't want it touching my back like this. It's too thick. So, am I crazy? We'll find out. I'm going to let Danny cut my hair. I think it'll be pretty good. He's going to do a great job of trimming. But I might be crazy.
Okay guys, Wanda has just got me out of the field from working. She wants me to cut her hair. I'll say this, she's a very trusting soul.
Yeah.
I'm not a hairdresser. I'm a lot of things in life, and I may be one after this, I don't know.
Pretty much.
But here we go.
Let's do it.
Let's do this. I'm not afraid of doing anything. So I'm going to just kind of step here to the side. I'm going to be winging it. Let's see here. You know, I used to show cows all the time, and I always had to trim their hair on them and blow dry them and shampoo them and give them baths and stuff like that.
You're comparing me to a cow.
I don't think this is anything like that, but I have cut hair, just not human hair.
Oh,
okay.
What have I got myself into?
So how many, you want it cut square?
Pretty much.
Okay. You want about 2 inches off of it. You want it cut straight across or just down? I think I'm going to cut the corners down just a little bit.
Whatever works for you. Just so I don't look stupid. And no oops moments.
Well,
You're cutting it all at once. How much are you cutting on? Sounds like you're cutting a lot.
cutting short.
Let me see how much.
It's some pretty thick hair.
I told you it was thick. See why it's hot? Are you showing them how much you're cutting off?
I think they can see how much I'm cutting off.
Whoa. I can't see. I have no mirror.
I think it's, I didn't layer it, no, I mean.
Do you know how to layer it? You can line a picture up on the wall, surely you can cut my hair reasonably straight.
You know how OCD I am.
Every hair. He's clipping one hair at a time.
Just trying not to cut your shirt. Trying not to.
Poke me.
Yeah.
Feels better. I bet you took 10 pounds off my head, huh?
Took a lot.
Okay. Y'all, this is really fun. I like him playing with my hair. All right. So, guys, tell me how he did. I can't see it yet. I've got to get something to put it up, but what do you think? Is Danny a hairdresser? What do you think?
I think it's passed. It passes. I'm not sure.
Okay, guys, I'm going to find something to put it back, but at least it's a little bit shorter, a little cooler. And when I put it up in a ponytail, it's not going to touch my back. That's what I wanted, because it's going to be short, not down here.
Yeah.
I like it. Thank you. You are a hairdresser.
I might be. I don't know.
Thank you, guys, on crazy days.